So this is Euro Yen analysis for Friday, the 15th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go. So, we were up into the 33.80. We didn't quite get up to the 134. We've seen sell side momentum come into the market all the way down to support in around this 32.83. A weekly pivot marked out here in blue. We've seen buy side momentum come back into the market, target at 33.45, again a weekly level. And we've seen a pullback, and price is somewhat oscillated before the ECB statement and so on. So we did see this move to the upside, which appeared strong at one point. It was pretty much a false move. The move upwards, as we can see on this hourly candle, we moved upwards by quite a bit, and we subsequently closed bearish. So this was a false move to the upside, and what we have seen is further sell side momentum coming to the market. So we've seen quite a bit of sell side momentum coming to the market, and I suppose in light of the selling momentum, we have to look for a potential downside target. So we've had a quite sizable sell-off, so we might see further retracement before we head downwards. But overall, we are expecting a further weakness in the euro against the yen. So if we do have the breakdown that we are expecting, we're looking to target in around 32.02 before to see if we do see some buy-side momentum come back into the market. Potentially targeting that 32.83. It is quite a bit away from 32.02. Breakdown from which we're looking to target at 31.70. Now, in regards to euro yen, we've been in a trading range for a couple of weeks now. The upper end of the trading range being at 134, lower end of the trading range being at 131.70. Now we are heading towards the lower end of the trading range, so we could potentially see a breakout to the downside. But again, 31.70 is a very strong level, potentially looking for some buy side momentum to come back into the market from there. So again, if we do break down from 32.02, we're looking for 31.70. If we do break down from 31.70, the very next level we are looking at is 31.20. 31.20 is not marked out on the charts. I'm just going to put a line on the charts just now. Let's just put that on the chart for reference purposes. There we are. 31.18. Close enough. So if we do have a breakdown in the regards to euro yen, we're looking to target 31.70, breakdown from which we're looking for 31.18. Now, if we do break down beyond 31.18, if there is a sufficient market volatility, we are looking all the way down at 30.60. So 130.60 is the very next level that we are looking at if we do break down from 31.18. But I think would require a very, very strong catalyst to get all the way down to 30.60. So 31.18, 31.20 would be the expected to be the far end of the range. Now, if we do turn around from where we are at present, we're looking to target that 32.83 for potential sell side momentum to come back into the market. A break from which we're looking to target the 200 and 400 period moving averages as well. Let's just clean the chart up a bit. So we've got a 400 period moving average and a 200 period moving average. We'll see whether they act as dynamic levels of resistance for more sell side momentum to come back into the market. If we do successfully navigate the 200 and 400 period moving average, we're targeting 33.45, and beyond which we're looking for that 134, which is a very strong level. Now, where we are at present, I can't anticipate us getting all the way up to 134 on Friday the 15th of December. So potentially we're looking at the far end of the range being in around this 33.45. And with that said, that's wrap up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.